Hi, good evening to your channel, The Ancients. I am your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh. On this auspicious occasion of Janmashtami, on your favorite channel, The Ancients, I have brought for you a Krishna mantra which, when you recite it properly, will lead to prosperity, happiness, and joy. Friends, I have done over 23 years of research in astrology, numerology, and Vastu. My mission is to share with you the very essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you live a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, enjoy peace of mind, and have harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. Towards this mission, I thrice a week share with you videos which help you move towards your life goals. As on date, we have got over 280 subscribers and 4,000 viewing hours. I thank all my subscribers. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, I request you to subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family. Request them to subscribe so that they too can enjoy the benefits of the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu, which I share with all of you. Coming back to our main topic, today is Janmashtami, the birthday of Lord Krishna. And for all Krishna Bhakts, I have brought a Krishna mantra, a very sacred Krishna mantra, which, when recited, gets you all the happiness and joy which you deserve, and the icing to the cake is the prosperity which comes along with reciting this mantra. My friends, in today's world, economic stability and prosperity are essentials to one's lives. Let me share with you the crucial mantra, Krishna mantra, which brings joy, happiness, and prosperity in your life. Listen to the mantra carefully. I'll repeat it twice for your benefit. Krim Krishnaya Nama. I repeat it again. Krim Krishnaya Nama. Say this mantra 9 times. Start on a Monday. Sit or stand facing the north direction. Wear yellow clothes. Light a diya of pure ghee and chant this sitting in front of Sri Krishna, whose idol has been decorated with beautiful flowers. Best if you can put yellow flowers. And if there are some tulsi leaves in front of the Krishna idol, that's the icing on the cake. Repeat this mantra 9 times on a daily basis. Sure to bless you with joy, happiness, and prosperity. Friends, an additional benefit of me sharing this video today is Janmashtami and today is Monday. Start reciting this mantra from today. The procedure I will repeat once again for you along with the mantra. The mantra is Krim Krishnaya Nama. Start it on a Monday. Today is Monday. Janmashtami, doubly auspicious. Sit or stand facing the north direction, wearing yellow clothes, light a diya of pure ghee, and chant this in front of Sri Krishna's idol, which is decorated with flowers. If you can decorate it with yellow flowers and also keep a few tulsi leaves, it's icing on the cake. Repeat this 9 times. On a daily basis, you are sure to be blessed with good health, joy, happiness, and prosperity. Friends, I am sure all of you are benefited with these informative videos which I bring for you. I would request once again for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also share these videos with your friends and family. I am Dr. Ghosh and I have researched astrology, numerology and Vastu for over 23 years. And I bring to you the very essence of the knowledge which I have gained of astrology, numerology and Vastu in my videos. My mission is to enable you to live a life filled with good health, prosperity, good fortune, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. So please do subscribe to the channel and join our mission. On this happy occasion, I would like to wish all of you happy Janmashtami. And for all my subscribers, of which I've got already about 280 subscribers on the channel with 4,000 viewing hours, I'd like to express my gratitude. Thank you for joining my life mission. Friends, I will be back with another informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Till then, good luck, all the best, stay safe.